Last night, I was trying to think of something really cool I could do with this Raspberry Pi. My idea was to use the Pi as a garage door opener. When I went out on YouTube, I looked and I can see I'm not the first one that thought of this. There's lots of people out there that thought of this. What I noticed when I was looking around on YouTube was that everybody out there that was using the Raspberry Pi as a garage door opener was wiring it pretty much directly into the garage door or the main garage door switch. What I want to do is I want to take the Pi and I want to hook it up wirelessly through this push button garage door opener. That's what I want to do. So what I have here now is I soldered some wires onto the positive and the negative side of the battery terminal here, and after some research and some testing I found that this 4-wire switch, if we connect these two sides together, either of the two sides where the prongs come out, that's a bypass for the switch. So I've got the garage door remote, which I'm just hooking up those 2 wires now. Negative to the negative. Yeah, on this it's in the middle. Positive. And that's it. You don't really need this breadboard, but I just have it hooked up to there because it just makes it nice and easy. So now we're going to go test out the code. We're going to have it simply send a signal, and it's not going to loop. It's going to send the signal for 2 seconds, send the power, turn it off after that, and then exit out of the program. Here's my Raspberry Pi setup. It's wired into the wireless garage door remote. We have the switch jumped so that the switch is it's always on, it's always pressed, and all we need to do is send voltage to it from the Python code, from the GPIO pins. So let's go out in the garage and check it out and see if this thing's working. So I'm out in my garage and I'm using SSH to actually log into the Raspberry Pi. I'm using it through my tablet, and I'm just simply going to run the code that operates the garage door opener. It's actually in my back office. Here we go. Let's give it a try. It's working. We'll just run the same code again. There's no special up down. There's one piece of code that sends it and it closes or opens. Hit it. Cool. Alright, if you guys have any ideas of things to do, I saw online where some people actually plugged a USB camera into in their garage. That was pretty cool. And I'm thinking that's what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to bring my Raspberry Pi out into the garage with Wi-Fi on it. I have a temperature sensor. I think I'm going to stick a temperature sensor here in the garage, the USB webcam, and be able to operate the garage door. I want to see how we can see the camera online, either on a website or through an Android app or something. Would be awesome. If you have any ideas or anything, any comments, just let me know.